Good morning, everybody. Coaster from All Things Prepping. Yeah, it's about 6:15 on a Saturday morning. The power has been off since roughly about 3 o'clock. Or let me put it to you this way, when the power went off, I checked on my watch and it was 3 o'clock, 1 minute past 3. And the power's not back yet, but that's not going to stop me from having coffee. As you can see, my kettle is boiling. So it's time to get some coffee into this body. So please bear with me and let's get a cup of coffee going. Yeah, with the rain clouds still heavy in the background, I'm ready to start this day off with a cup of coffee. So let's do it. Enjoy it. Until the next one, keep on prepping.